Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find all the downloaded applications on your iPhone, or how you can easily find all the downloaded applications on App Store. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure that you watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So the first thing you can do is to swipe right and then go to App Library, and you will be able to find all the downloaded applications into your iPhone. And if you may have lost your iPhone, and you want to find all the downloaded history on your App Store, that is signed in with your Apple ID. If you want to do that, if you want to see all the downloaded history of applications in App Store, all you have to do is to head over to the App Store and then tap on your profile on the top right corner, and then tap on purchased. Now once you're on this page, you make sure that you have switched to all section like this, and you'll be able to find all the applications that you have downloaded from day one of purchasing your iPhone. So guys, if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.